Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into advanced color pencil technique that will take your art to the next level. Whether you are drawing portraits, landscape or illustrations, mastering these methods will give your work depth, texture and realism. Now let's do it. So we are starting with the first technique, that is hatching. This is very simple. What you have to do, just draw the lines in one direction. Like I am doing this. These lines create light and dark areas. If the lines are very close together, it looks darker, and if they are far apart, it looks lighter. I am here doing darker lines. You can use these for shadows or texture. Now we will move forward to cross hatching. This is just like hatching. So first of all, we will do as we have done in the first square. As I told you, it is just like hatching. So after we are done with the hatching, we have to draw another sets of line crossing over each other. So now you draw lines in two or more directions. Usually they are perpendicular or diagonal. It gives more details and a stronger shadow effect. Now the third technique is light pressure. The name itself says we have to pressure very lightly, very softly with your pencil. What it will give a light and soft color. It's great for starting a drawing. You can build up layers over layers slowly with light pressure. So after that, here comes heavy pressure. It is opposite to the light pressure. We have to press hard with our pencil to get bold and saturated color. It's great for the areas where you want strong emphasis or vibrancy. Stay tuned for more techniques. Till that, do like, subscribe and share.